Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com.
Namaste, welcome to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, quickest, and smartest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana, and today we are going to discuss 25 verbs in Hindi. So let's begin.
होना, to be.
So first verb is hona, which means to be. आप कहाँ पर हो? Where are you?
के पास होना, to have.
Our next verb is के पास होना, आपके पास होना, which means to have. मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है. I have a pet dog.
करना, to do.
Our next verb is करना, which means to do. चलो मिलके जॉगिंग करते हैं. Come on, let's do jogging together.
बोलना, to say.
Our next verb is बोलना, which means to say. राहुल ने क्या बोला? What did Rahul say?
समझाना, to explain.
समझाना, which means to explain. क्या आपने अपने दादाजी को समझाया? Did you explain it to your grandfather?
सुनना, to hear.
Our next verb is सुनना, which means to hear. क्या आपने वो आवाज सुनी? Did you hear that sound?
जाना, to go.
Our next verb is जाना, जाना, which means to go. सुमन स्कूल जाएगी. सुमन will go to school.
जानना, to know.
Okay, so moving on, our next verb is जानना, जानना, which means to know. क्या आप फ्रेंच जानते हैं? Do you know French?
लेना, to take.
लेना, which means to take. नीतिका अपने साथ अपने कुत्ते को लेकर गई. नीतिका has taken her dog along with her.
देखना, to see.
Next verb is देखना, which means to see. रोहन एक फिल्म देखने गया है. रोहन has gone to watch a movie.
आना, to come.
Okay, so our next verb is आना, which means to come. आज महिमा आएंगी. Today महिमा will come.
सोचना, to think.
Our next verb is सोचना, which means to think. मैं आपको सोचकर बताता हूँ. Let me think and I'll get back to you.
देखना, to look.
Our next word is देखना, which means to see. यहाँ से सारा शहर दिखाई देता है. We can see the whole city from here.
चाहना, to want.
Next verb is चाहना, to want. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have?
देना, to give.
देना, देना which means to give. मुझे वो फाइल दे दीजिए. Please hand over that file to me. Or please give that file to me.
इस्तेमाल करना, to use.
Our next verb is इस्तेमाल करना, which means to use. मेरी दादी को कंप्यूटर इस्तेमाल करना आता है. My grandmother knows how to use computer.
ढूंढना, to find.
Next verb is ढूंढना, to find. मानव अपना फोन ढूंढ रहा है. मानव is looking for his phone.
बताना, to tell.
बताना, which means to tell. मुझे वो कहानी दोबारा से बताना. Please tell me that story again.
पूछना, to ask.
पूछना, पूछना, which means to ask. मुझे आपसे कुछ पूछना है. I want to ask you something.
काम करना, to work.
Our next verb is काम करना, which means to work. Ram काम कर रहा है. Ram is working.
लगना, to seem.
लगना to seem. दीवारों पर यह रंग काफी गूढ़ा लग रहा है. This color seems to be very dark on the walls. So we are going to discuss the same word again because it can be taken in different context also. So lagna can be taken as are you feeling it? Lagna is the Hindi verb which can be taken as to feel. क्या आपको गर्मी लग रही है? Are you feeling hot here? So lagna can be taken in two different ways.
कोशिश करना, to try.
कोशिश करना, which means to try. मैं पढ़ाई करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to study.
निकलना, to leave.
Our next verb is निकलना, which means to leave. वो अभी घर से निकला है. He has just left from home.
बुलाना, to call out.
Our next verb is बुलाना, which means to call out. तुम्हारी मम्मी तुम्हें बुला रही हैं. Your mom is calling out for you.
समझना, to understand.
So next verb is समझना, to understand. मुझे फारसी समझ नहीं आती. I do not understand Farsi. So that's all from today's lesson. So these were the verbs which are most commonly used in Hindi and they're gonna help you a lot to understand others what they are saying. I hope you have enjoyed our video and if you did so, please click on the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel which is hindipod101.com. If there's any kind of feedback or any comments you want to leave, you can just write them down in the comments section. I will be back with more videos. Till then, you can also visit to our website which is www.hindipod101.com. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Namaste. Welcome back to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, smartest and the quickest way of learning Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana and I'm back with yet another Hindi lesson for you all. So today we are going to discuss about 10 words, 10 sentences which you would love to listen from others. So let's start. आज आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो. You are looking great today. Our first sentence is आज आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो. You are looking great today. Well, who will not want to listen this sentence from anyone? मुझे आपकी याद आती है. I miss you. मुझे आपकी याद आती है. I miss you. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Which means you did a great job. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Which means you did a great job. Well, if you have done a project or maybe you have finished an assignment and if you get to hear this, nothing like that. आप एक बहुत अच्छे बावर्ची हैं. You are an excellent cook. आप एक बहुत अच्छे बावर्ची हैं. You are an excellent cook. Well, I love to eat and I like to compliment people who cooks a great meal or who cook a lot of meals for me. Well, it's a good way of appreciating a person is putting a lot of efforts in cooking. We should appreciate that. एक ब्रेक ले लो, आज मैं सफाई करता हूँ. You take a break, I'll be doing cleaning today. एक ब्रेक ले लो, आज मैं सफाई करता हूँ. You take a break, I'll be doing cleaning today. और तुम जीत गए. And you win. Our next sentence is और तुम जीत गए. And you win. Well, every sportsperson would love to hear this sentence from the opposite team that you have won. That's why we play. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. मैं आपके लिए कुछ खास लाया हूँ. I have brought something special for you. मैं आपके लिए कुछ खास लाया हूँ. I have brought something special for you. Well, I'm the one who loves to get surprises from others, and whenever someone comes and says this sentence, it just gives me goosebumps. I don't know what comes, but a surprise is a surprise. Budget असीमित है, which means the budget is unlimited. Our next sentence is budget असीमित है, which means the budget is unlimited. Well, trust me, if you're a corporate guy or if you're into marketing, most of the times you get a limited budget. But imagine your manager is coming up to you and saying that this time the budget is unlimited. आपकी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट बहुत अच्छी है. Your medical report is absolutely fine. आपकी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट बहुत अच्छी है. Your medical report is absolutely fine. Just imagine you're going to a doctor and you get to hear this sentence from your doctor that you are doing pretty good, your health is pretty good. So that's all from today's video. I hope you liked our video lesson. If you liked our video, please click on the like button. You can also leave your suggestions, comments in the comments section. You can also visit our website, which is www.hindipod101.com. We have a lot of such video lessons already there on our website. Please like our channel, which is HindiPod 101. I'll be back with more video lessons. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. Goodbye.
Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, smartest and quickest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana and today we are going to learn the most commonly used words in Hindi.
Namaste. Hello.
So our first word is Namaste. So this is a very courteous way of saying hello in Hindi. So whenever we want to greet someone in Hindi, we just fold our hands and say Namaste, which means hello in English.
Suprabhat. Good morning.
Moving on to the next word, which is Suprabhat, which means good morning.
Shubh Ratri. Good night.
Shubh Ratri, which means good night.
Shubh Sandhya. Good evening.
Shubh Sandhya, which means good evening.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
Moving on to the next set of words, which is आपका नाम क्या है, which means in English, what is your name?
मैं हूँ. I am.
So to reply to this question, we can always answer like मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. My name is Anuj Khurana.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you.
आपको मिलके खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you.
आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
So next set of words is asking someone that how they are doing. आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
जी मैं ठीक हूँ. और आप? I'm fine. Thanks. And you?
So to reply to this question, we can always answer like मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. Thank you.
कृपया. Please.
कृपया, which means please. Whenever we are requesting someone, we always use this word कृपया. कृपया आप मुझे अपना पेन दे दीजिए. Please give me your pen. So always remember, कृपया is a very courteous way of saying please.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Our next word is thank you. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद आपने मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया. Thank you for inviting me here.
कोई बात नहीं. You're welcome.
कोई बात नहीं, which means you're welcome. So whenever someone is saying thank you to us, like धन्यवाद in Hindi, we can always address them like कोई बात नहीं, you're welcome.
हाँ. Yes.
So the next word is हाँ, which means yes. हाँ, मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. Yes, my name is Anuj Khurana.
नहीं. No.
So opposite to yes, the next word is no. नहीं. नहीं, मैं आज डिनर नहीं खाऊंगा. No, I'm not going to have dinner tonight.
ठीक है. Okay.
ठीक है, which means okay in English. ठीक है, आज आप थोड़ा लेट आ जाना. Okay, you can come a bit late today. मुझे माफ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. मुझे माफ कीजिएगा, which means excuse me.
मुझे क्षमा करें. I'm sorry.
मुझे क्षमा करें, which means please forgive me. मुझे क्षमा करें, आज मैं थोड़ा लेट हूँ. Please forgive me, I'm a bit late today.
शौचालय कहाँ है? Where is the restroom?
शौचालय कहाँ है, which means where is the restroom.
एक मिनट रुकिए. Wait a moment.
Our next set of words are एक मिनट रुकिए, which means wait a moment. एक मिनट रुकिए, मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ. Wait a moment, I'll be back.
यह कितने का है? How much is this?
यह कितना है? How much is it? It is like asking someone like, how much is this? How much is this number? यह कितना है?
क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Can I get the check please?
क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Which means, can I get the check please?
बधाई हो. Congratulations.
बधाई हो, which means congratulations. बधाई हो, आप हिंदी पॉड 101 से हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. Congratulations, you are learning Hindi from hindipod101.com.
फिर मिलेंगे. See you later.
फिर मिलेंगे, which means see you again. अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. Take care. Coming to the end of this lesson, so our next word is अपना ध्यान रखिएगा, which means take care.
अलविदा. Goodbye.
So the last word for this lesson is अलविदा, goodbye. अलविदा, हम जल्द ही मिलेंगे. Goodbye, we're gonna meet again. So that's all from today's lesson, and I hope you all enjoyed learning these new words, which are quite easy, and these are the words which are most commonly used in Hindi. I hope you liked our video, and if you did so, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, which is hindipod101.com. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back with few more Hindi lessons to make you learn Hindi while you are sitting at home. Goodbye, take care. Namaste, welcome to hindipod101.com, the easiest, smartest and the quickest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana and I'm back with yet another Hindi lesson with new Hindi words. Today we are going to discuss about 10 phrases, 10 sentences which you can use to amaze a native speaker. So let's begin. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूँ. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूँ. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. Well, that's quite a good speed if you can speak like a native speaker in 3 years. Nothing like that. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning Hindi by my own. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning Hindi by my own. Well, you have HindiPod101.com. You can learn Hindi quite quickly from there too. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूँ. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूँ. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. Well, I'm sure you all must be aware of Bollywood. These films are a lot of drama, a lot of romance, and if you're good at Hindi, you can enjoy Bollywood films. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ. I've understood everything you have said. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ. I've understood everything you have said. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. Well, trust me, if you can do so, you can quickly become a fluent Hindi speaker. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूँ. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूँ. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. Well, if you can do so, trust me, you are very talented because I can just speak Hindi and English. मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूँ. I can write and read Hindi on my own. Our next sentence is मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूँ. I can write and read Hindi on my own. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूँ. At times I write Hindi poems. Well, if you're doing that, it's just amazing. If you're learning a language and writing poems and that, nothing better than that. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूँ. At times I write Hindi poems. Well, that's all from today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed a video lesson. If you have any kind of suggestions, any kind of feedback, you can write them in the comment section. And if you liked the video, please click on the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, which is Hindi Pod 101. For more such kind of Hindi lessons, you can visit our website, which is www.hindipod101.com. I'll be back with more Hindi lessons. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.